In this video, I'll show you how to transfer SafePal Wallet to Cash App. First, open the SafePal mobile wallet application on your device. Once you're in, you'll land on the home page, where all your available tokens are displayed. Take a moment to review your balances. Then from the list of coins, choose Bitcoin. Next, you'll see a screen with several options like swap, receive, and send. Tap the one labeled Send. On the following page, enter the exact amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer in the designated field. Double-check the amount to avoid mistakes. After that, you need to enter or paste the recipient address. This is the crucial step that ensures your funds go to the right place. Open the Cash App on your phone, and you'll land on the app's homepage. Tap on the bank icon at the bottom, then select the Bitcoin option from the menu. You'll see several options, but we're focused on transferring Bitcoin to this wallet. Scroll down to the section labeled More Ways to Get Bitcoin. Then tap Deposit Bitcoin. Here, you'll find your Cash App Bitcoin wallet address. Copy this address carefully to make sure there are no errors. Return to the SafePal Wallet app, paste the copied address in the field provided, and tap Send. Your Bitcoin will now be transferred directly to your Cash App wallet. Depending on network congestion, it may take a few minutes to complete. Once the transfer is finished, you can convert your Bitcoin to cash within the app and use it for payments or other transactions. By the way, if you want a cheaper and easier way to move money than switching between wallets, I recommend Wise. I use it personally. It's simple, secure, and offers the lowest conversion fees compared to other services. Right now, if you sign up using the link in the description, your first transfer, up to $800, is totally free. Best part, you get a free debit card you can use worldwide.